Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and today we have it's a hydraulic lift that I made a trade for to get, and it's sitting on the main line right now, or at least on the roadbed to the main line. We've got to change that, so with help from our friends Moasure, we're going to take the Moasure 2 Pro, and I'm going to measure a spot where it's going to be, and that's over this way. So you will notice there is snow over here. I'm not going to let that deter me because, well, we got some building to do in the spring. But first, I have to design what we're building. We have to put a slab down here. So right about the size of the trailer over here, actually. Maybe a little bit bigger. I think we're going to go a little bit bigger, actually. So I'm going to use one of these flags, and I'm going to place it at the beginning. And that's going to be my beginning and end point for this measurement. So I'm going to take Moasure, and I'm going to select closed shape. And here we go. I'm going to place my first flag right over here. So my first flag is going right here. The ground is kind of frozen, so, well, there's a hole in the snow where I can figure out where to start, or I can start right there. That looks like a good place. So we'll start right here. There, make myself a little conspicuous hole to place this in. Check Moasure devices. I got to turn the device on. Twist that to start it. Get it down here and get it ready. Points. Do a closed shape. And we'll do straight line. Start measuring. So we're going to go over to here, take our first measurement. Now you need to make wide sweeps with this. So I'm going to make a kind of a wide sweep. I'm going to go out in an arc as I head down to that area because it doesn't like 90-degree curves. So here we go. I'm going to go out in an arc, turning it slowly. Place it down right here. Being careful not to swing it around. So I've got my my third point. Now I got to get my fourth point. I'm going to give it a nice wide arc. And I'll place it down right here. And now I'm going to go back to the beginning. And there I am back at the beginning. And I have a nice little, not exactly square, but I can square that up in CAD later. So we've got 15.45 feet by 11.72 feet, 16.66 feet on the other side over by the Jeep, and 9.58 on the back there. I think that's close enough for a start anyway. So now we take this over to CAD. All right, I got a confession to make. I don't actually need CAD design software to continue with this project. All I need is a sketch on a napkin, to be honest. And you know what? That's what Moasure gives me, is that sketch on a napkin. It's on my phone. So now all I got to do is get back to it at some point, closer to the spring, and just draw up the pad that's going to be inside that square, that, well, rectangle. So I guess that leads us to the end of this video. I'm kind of on a deadline anyway to get this done. So as I run up against that deadline, I think we're going to call it done. Moasure is a great product. It's a little more versatile than I originally thought it would be, which is good, very good thing. And they're great people to work with, actually. They have been very patient with me with this video. I have tried to put this video out for 2 months, and I've changed the focus of it at least once. So, what can I say? Life gets in the way of things. So, thank you for watching today's video. We'll have to do CAD, I guess, another time, because the CAD program I have is for engineering, not for landscaping. Now I have my cat meowing at me. MillbrookRailroad.com. Check out our merch store there, and you can always go to Patreon if you want extra perks, things like that. Having conversations about upcoming content. Join us over on Patreon. Patreon.com/MillbrookRailroad, and I guess I'll see you in the next video, which I don't think is going to be this, but this is coming up. What'd you say? You say you want to go outside? Of course. Yeah, I'm coming. I almost forgot to say, if you go to Moasure.com and enter in the link below, right down here, you can get a discount off of your purchase of Moasure 2 or Moasure 2 Pro. Both great products. The Pro has a couple of different features, a couple of more features than the Moasure 2, but yeah, they're both very good products. Moasure.com, and the information down here, the discount code will get you a discount. Anyway, I'm at my day job. I gotta get back to work. Enjoy the snow at 2,700 feet. There's work. It's cold out here. I'm going back in.